Hello, my YouTube friend. I'm back at the store and we have a lot of work to do. First, let me give you a little update. Let's go into the shop. Okay, so we've been selling a ton of pops. All the pops from last week. If you look on these shelves, there's lots of empty spaces. We probably sold 50 pops off of that wall over the weekend. Okay, back over to the case. We sold a good amount. If you remember, this is all the way full to the front, so we sold out a whole section there and a bunch there, and that shelf cleared out a good amount. Sold a little bit on that shelf, a little bit on that shelf. DC shelf I think was full, so we sold a bunch of that. Star Wars didn't get touched this weekend. That Marvel shelf got a little bit, and that shelf a little bit. I think we sold a couple Fortnite pops, maybe some more of the game pops, so we sold a lot. I think that last giant collection I bought last week, we've sold probably about like $2,000 to $2,500 so far out of the collection. Plus like $1,000 worth went to patrons. So what was that, like $3,500? So we're like 60% of the way of getting our money back, which is pretty awesome. I think by this coming weekend, I'll have sold enough to at least pay for the collection and then start making some profit. All right, let me show you what I'm going to do today. I have a big collection of stuff coming in from my neighbor John later today, so I kind of want to process as much as I can just to make a little bit of room. You see over here, I bought a bunch more boxes of stuff over the weekend. I had to move the boxes that were in here out of the way. I got to bring them back into the store and go through those. And then I have two heavy boxes here for my patron Aaron. I think these are all sodas, including a lot of chases. I'm really excited to go through this collection. This is the first big soda collection I've purchased. So I'm going to be adding a lot of this to my collection. I probably won't be selling too much of that. And then I have one more large box from Joseph that just showed up that I didn't know about. And he thinks it's the 10-inch pops. So it's probably a couple 10-inch pops and a few other things in there. Okay, so let's start digging through some of these boxes and just see what we got. Okay, let's open up these three boxes, just to take a quick look at what we got. All right, so this comes from my patron Aaron. It's all soda. I'm really excited to go through this box because I think there's a lot of chases. And I only have one chase so far, and that's one I got from him last week. So this collection, I'm probably end up keeping most of it. Normally, I like to sell enough to kind of break even, but I think it's going to be a little bit harder in this situation. Dig in. Dig in. All right. Oh, okay. Nice and protected. And it looks like they're all in their own little sorter boxes. All right. Perfect packaging job. This looks amazing. All right. Let's just take a quick look at one or two, and then I'll kind of set them up and show you everything that's in this box. Let's just see what we got. Yeah, oh, so he's got bubble wrap inside. Oh, these are super, like, triple protected. This is awesome. Okay, we have the snake Pliskin. I don't know if it's the common or chase, but he said he's sending me a lot of chases. So let me open all these up and I'll set them up and just show you everything that was in this box. Okay, I got the first little batch of soda figures done. Wow, these are so much fun. Okay, so over here, we have a snake Pliskin. I have the common one already, so he'll be for sale. And the common Muttley I have already, so he'll be for sale. Then we have the amazing metallic Spike or Chase, 1 in 500 pieces. That one is amazing. We have the common Sonic the Hedgehog. I needed that one. We have the Shredder Chase, 1 in 2,000 pieces. Very cool. I needed that one. We have the 1 in 1,200 Barney Rubble Chase. That one I needed. Very cool. We have the El Hero Invicto Metallico, 1 in 2,500 Chase. Needed that one. We have the, I think that's Toy Tokyo. No, it's the 2020 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. I don't know if there's a chase to this one, but it's the Moss Man. That one is awesome. Needed that one. And then I love this one, 1 in 1,600 Aku. That is really awesome. And then the 1 in 1,200 Chase Count Chocula inspired Frankenberry. Love those. So most of these I'm keeping. I think I'm only selling the 2 commons. Very awesome first batch. All right, let me open up and set up some more. Okay, we got the second batch of soda figures. A lot of really cool ones. A few duplicates, but these are fun. Okay, so we have another Muttley and Sonic common. Those I have, so I'm going to sell those. I didn't have the Thanos common. That's cool. This is Jabberjaw. He's metallic. Very awesome. 1 in 1,000 pieces. Love that one. Another common. He's going for sale. The common trap. Actually, I don't think it's a common. I think it's just a Comic-Con. Yeah, it's 2020 San Diego Comic-Con exclusive. So limited 3,000 pieces. Very awesome. The Bizarro Chase, 1 in 2,500. That's an awesome figure. Love that one. The Rocksteady Common, the black and white Batfink Chase, 1 in 800. He's really awesome. The Bloody Leatherface Chase, 1 in 2000. Love that one. Very cool. The Secret Squirrel Chase. This chase is cool. 1,300 pieces. He's flocked and glow in the dark. Love that figure. And then one more common Muttley. Very cool stuff. Okay, last little batch of sodas from that box. We have 2 more of the wrestler guys. We have this really cool I Heart New York figure. That one's only 2,000 pieces, so super limited, pretty much like a Chase. We have Donatello. That one I needed. Midoriya, that one I needed, and that's the second one in the box, so that one will be for sale. So I'm going to be selling that one and those 2. All right, very awesome. Let's get to the next box. All right, here's the second box from Aaron. Let's open it up. It's heavy as well, so I think it's all sodas again. Really excited. I've wanted to collect a lot more sodas, so this is a great way to get a whole bunch at once. And I just, I'm a huge fan of buying collections. Kind of one of my favorite things to do. So open this guy up. And let's see. Okay, everything again is in boxes. Perfect way to ship them. That's going to keep the cans from getting dinged up. And it looks like just a whole bunch more, maybe 12 more. Okay, let me dig into these and set them up and show you what I got. Okay, another amazing batch of sodas. This was really fun. Well, the first 2 are kind of boring. We have 2 more Muttleys. These I have a feeling I'm going to have for a very long time. But we have the Chase Oogie Boogie. That one's really cool. Limited to 3,300 pieces. Chase Green Hornet. Limited to 1,000 pieces. Okay, and then we have the Crusader Rabbit, the black version, limited to 800 pieces. That is awesome. And then we have the Snake Man at Arms, limited to 1,250 pieces. Very awesome chase. The Harley Quinn Chase, really happy to get that one, limited to 2,000 pieces. The Rocksteady Neon version, very cool chase, limited to 1,600 pieces. And then we have the Cobra Khan Snake where his head is flared chase. That's limited to 1,250 pieces. And another Snake Pliskin, so that one's going to be for sale. And then the Tearaway Face Clown. Very awesome. I'm really excited to get so many cool sodas for my collection. Okay, we have another batch of awesome soda figures. Let's dig into this. We have the really cool Golden Robin Chase. I love that one, keeping that one. This is a duplicate, so he'll be for sale. Regular Roger Rabbit, keeping that one. Sonic the Hedgehog, that's a duplicate. I needed the regular Superman, so I'm keeping that one. The Chase Merman, this one is 1 in 1,200, so that one I'm keeping. Very cool. I think I had him already, so he'll be for sale. Another one of these. We have like 1,000 of those. Rocksteady's a duplicate, so he's going to be for sale. Duck Dodger's really cool, keeping that one. The regular Aku, happy to get that one. Very awesome. The Snake Pliskin Chase. This is limited to 1,600 pieces. Very cool. That one's going into my collection. And then we have a duplicate chase of the Secret Squirrel. Very cool. I'm going to check one of my patrons who are collecting Soda Pop figures to see if she wants this. If not, I'm going to see if Lisa and Tito want it. If not, he'll be for sale. But there's a couple people that are kind of in line that I'm going to check with first. All right, very awesome figures. I'm having a lot of fun with these. Okay, the last 2 in the box. 2 really awesome ones. We have the Heath Ledger Joker Chase. This was limited to 3,000 pieces. And Kato, Bruce Lee, awesome, limited to 1,000 pieces. Very cool sodas. I really enjoy these. These are awesome. We have 5 minutes until we open, so I'm going to try to do Joseph's box real quick before we get open. I just want to see what's inside and get him paid for that box. All right, let's dig into the box. All right, another giant box. I think we figured out this is a couple 10-inch pops and a few other things. All right, so let's see what's in here. All right. Oh yeah, it looks like a whole bunch of bigger stuff. Yeah, some 10-inch pops and some bigger stuff. Okay, awesome. Let's just pull this. Oh, he threw in some extra protectors, I guess. That's cool. I guess I did pay for the protectors. Wherever he didn't use, I can always use more. Okay, so let me pull out everything that's in this box and I'll show you guys what's in here. All right, here's Joseph's little batch of stuff. We have a 10-inch Hulk. The box is a little damaged, so I had to knock it down a little bit. We have the 10-inch Porg. We got the Great Ape Vegeta. That one's going to be hot in demand. We have the Flocked Kurama. That one's going to be in demand. That one's really scratched up on the plastic here, so I had to knock that one down a little bit. We have Angel. We have the Dark Phoenix. That was from the subscription box. We have the really cool vinyl set of the Gremlins. I love this set. I want to fill in my vinyl set. That's something I have to work on. We have the 10-inch Thanos. We have the Night King and Icy Vizerin. This one I really like. We have the Daenerys and Drogon. That one's really cool. And then we have Woody with RC. A very cool little batch of stuff. So I have all this. This is all going into my shop. All right, that was a lot of fun to go through the sodas. I'm adding so many chases to my collection. I'm really thrilled. I think Aaron sent me another 5 boxes or so I feel like more sodas will be inbound. So I'll have another video later in the week. The store's opening up in a couple minutes, so I think I'm going to wait and do the rest of the stuff in another video. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I want to thank my patrons for supporting the channel. With their help, I'm able to do more videos like this more often. I'm going to put a couple other mega epic Funko Pop hauls right there. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!